Hey guys, so here is the all new OnePlus 13 in its full glory. So OnePlus 13 is packing amazing specifications. It will be having latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, flat display, Oxygen OS 15 and a new classic look. So we're gonna see a circular camera module, not so different from OnePlus 12, but it won't be attached with sides of the phone just like OnePlus 12. There is a line bars in symmetric design coming from one side to other side of the phone and a Hasselblad logo on top right of it. OnePlus 13 is having 3 camera sensors. One is main camera sensor while other one is ultra wide and then a 3x optical zoom periscope lens and a flashlight in the camera module. OnePlus 13 is coming in 3 new colors: marble black, white and a blue leather finish. This looks really nice. OnePlus 13 will be having quad curved display with very thin bezels just like we saw on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Display size will be 6.8 inches with 120Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution. OnePlus 13 will be having 6000 milliamps of battery with Glacier technology, which will be having great effect in reducing mobile's thickness, and OnePlus 13 would still be very slimmer despite of this much bigger battery. OnePlus is going all out in their charging capacities. Yes guys, some sources have confirmed that OnePlus 13 will be having 100 watts of wired charging and 50 watts of wireless charging. On the front we will see a 6.8 inches LTPO display with 1440 by 3168 resolution and micro curvature design on all sides. OnePlus will be implementing the best of the best ultrasonic fingerprint scanners, which is gonna work in dusty and rainy environments very easily. The main highlight of this device is gonna be Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It will be the latest one from Qualcomm, and we are seeing couple of Geekbench scores already from multiple upcoming Android devices, and the results are insane. Seems like Apple has got tough competition ahead. So we do have the OnePlus 13's Geekbench scores, and it's 3216 single core and 10051 multi-core scores. And in comparison with iPhone 16's Geekbench scores, the OnePlus takes lead at multi-core scores, as you can see this on chart, which looks like really tough competition for Apple. Digital Chat Station has confirmed that OnePlus 13 will have IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance ratings, which are great to use the phone in tough environments. OnePlus 13 is having the maxed out memory this time, which will be 24GB LPDDR5 RAM. That's all for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.